I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
Oh my gosh, you guys. So finally, today's video, we are definitely gonna be taking out these braids. Like, I've had these braids on for over 3 months. Normally I have my braids on for like 2 weeks, at most 3 weeks, but this one right here, like, throughout my life, this is the highest braids I've had on. So we're definitely taking these out today because they've actually, like, it's dried tremendously. Also, I just want to take this means to say a very big thank you to you guys. Like, my pregnancy review was something else. I wasn't expecting the amount of love. The love was so much that I couldn't just contain it. I was so shocked, you guys. And yeah, I wanted to open up and talk to you guys. I didn't just want to come out from nowhere and just say, hey, you guys, I'm pregnant, you know, without like taking that opportunity to testify and also to talk to women, because I know a lot of women are going through what I went through. So I just wanted to kind of have a medium or a means to also reach out to women. So I'm so happy. I'm so thankful that, you know, you guys received the message. And like I said in that video, we are all blessed and we are all gonna carry our kids. It's just a matter of time. The best time is God's time. So, you know, that's just the main thing. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna start trying to take down this hair, and we're gonna check, like, kind of length check, my wash day routine, all those things we're gonna do after I've taken down the hair. I would actually say the main reason I didn't take down this hair was because of the lockdown, you guys. Like, I know we're still on lockdown, so I was like, if I take down this hair, there is no way I can go make it. So that's the reason I didn't take it down. My natural hair should be somewhere here, so it's gonna be easy. I'm just gonna cut all these things out, and then it's gonna be easy for me to start taking it down. 7 p.m. right now, so I want to see how long it's gonna take me to take down this hair. I pray probably before 10, like 10 p.m. will be done. Here's how I like to take down my braids. Like, once I open, I kind of stretch it. Once you stretch it, it will just loosen up, like maybe 2 or 3 hair, like this. See, it makes it so much easier. See, instead of you to keep going, you know, and using your comb to do it, it's so much easier once you open to, you draw it. I literally just ate. I ate like maybe 3 hours ago, and now I feel so hungry. And I always condition myself to eat more nutritional food than eating just anyhow and eating too much. So I guess that's one of the reasons I haven't really gained weight for this pregnancy. Even with the twins, I didn't really gain much weight, you know. The whole weight was right on my stomach, but this one, for some reason, the weight is on my stomach and also on my butt. It's been growing out of space these days, you know. My stomach is growing, my butt is growing. It's crazy. I need help. Oh, Mwazia, come and put hand here.
Mommy cutting her hair.
I'm cutting the braids, not my hair. Ow.
Wait, what's your heart cutting it?
Yes, the braids.
I want to try. Are you going to use these hairs again?
No, we're putting it in the garbage.
That's what you do?
Yeah, but we discard the hair. The hair mommy used to braid you guys' hair. Now I discard it, right? I always put it in the garbage.
Oh,
yeah. You guys always do new hair.
Yeah. So, but you haven't done our hair in a long while. Daddy, Mommy, I used to...
What do you mean? But the hair you have on is me that made it.
Yes.
So, and you made this hair when? 2 weeks ago?
No. That was 3 months ago.
3 months ago, this hair you have on. You made this hair 2 weeks ago, Mommy.
2 weeks? No, it was 2 months. It was 2
months ago.
Yeah.
And is this cute? It still looks this cute. How?
You
know, it hurts. That's why Mommy tried to detangle to put conditioner. You and this your baby. Come on now, we gotta finish this hair. It's already getting late. Ouch, Angel, ow. Oh, Charlie. Oh, Charlie, that hurts. And it's still hurting.
Here I look, there's red, there's yellow.
Mommy's little helpers.
Mommy's little helper. And the littlest helper is this one right here. Baby, where are you?
8:45. That means it took us like an hour. An hour 45 minutes.
Angel, it's okay. No, you're leaving me out.
Ouch! Ngwalif. What happens here? Ngwalif it. Do I finish it? Thank you.
You wanna do it?
No.
Yeah. No.
Oh, you people will start fighting now.
No. No. Okay. I'll do it. Okay, Angel. No, you're trying to let me out of the video. Angel, I was doing it. But you took the hair away from me. No, I didn't. Angel, stop it. I didn't finish my hair that I was doing it. This is it. Ow, Angel, can you? No. Stop.
Stop it, Ngwa. Ngwa, I do it. Thank you. Bye. Thank
Okay.
you. Bye. You can go get some snacks.
Yes! Some snacks.
This is what I go through, you guys. Hey, Chineke. They love each other so much, and then they fight so much. To think they are twins, that is crazy. Next step is gonna be my wash day routine, because we have to get down on this hair. We have to wash it. I have to first condition it, shampoo it. Like, let's go. Alright guys, let's get down to business. So normally when I take down braids, I like to first detangle even before combing, because I find that detangling or wetting the hair helps with less breakage while combing, and for that I'm using Aunt Jackie's knot on my watch, which is an instant detangling therapy. It helps soften, restore moisture and eliminate knots, and while applying it I make sure I generously distribute it all over my hair, concentrating on the roots because that's where most of the knots are. And after that I will cover my hair and wait for 15 to 20 minutes for the therapy to be fully effective. Of course, while I was waiting, I had to go eat something, and now we're back. And you guys, like, the whole hair is completely wet, as you all can see, like the moisture build up. And now I'm just gonna slightly comb it, although I'm still gonna comb it in the shower, but this is kind of my first attempt into combing. And then for shampooing, I'm gonna be using the Absorber shampoo, and because my hair is completely dirty, I'm gonna be applying shampoo twice. And I like to first rinse off the detangling therapy and then do my first shampoo. Sometimes I like using two different shampoos, but this one just gets the job done effectively. Just using it 2 times completely gets rid of all the dirt and junk from the hair and leaves it smelling really nice, guys. And I also prefer to comb my hair in the shower while the shampoo is still at work. It just makes the whole job so much easier and adds with the detangling process. I think this is actually the 3rd shampoo, you guys. I actually shampooed my hair 3 times, not 2. Like, my hair was so dirty, so I knew I needed to shampoo it, like make sure all the dirt and all the oil, and like, it's 3 months, you guys. I had this hair on for 3 months, so I had to take my time to make sure everything is out. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my hair towel and cover it up. So it's time for deep conditioning, and I'm currently also loving the Absorber conditioner. It's great in restoring shine and moisture and strength to the hair, and the smell, you guys, like the smell is out of this world. And I love to also saturate my whole entire hair with a conditioner, concentrating on the root because that's where you get your first growth. Conditioning helps a lot with softening new growth, and with this I have to wait for 30 minutes. To be honest, you guys, like washing my hair on the sink makes it so much easier on like the shower. So I didn't want to go back to the shower, and we're just gonna make do with the sink. And when rinsing off conditioners, you don't fully need to wash off everything like a shampoo. I like to slightly rinse and then dry off, leaving a little residue. And of course, I'm going to comb out the hair to make sure there are no more knots or tangles. And then I like to apply my leave-in conditioner. This one is the Marc Anthony Strengthening Grow Long Rapid Leave-In. You don't have to wash this one out. That's why it's called leave-in. And it also helps in strengthening and adding to the growth of your hair. Like, I've noticed a lot of improvements, you guys, ever since I started, kind of doing my wash day routine like this. And the last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of shine, and I'm using my argan oil. After that, you guys, that is all there is to this video. I just went ahead and allowed my hair to dry, just blew dry it, and that is all there is, you guys. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I probably have to go ahead and trim the ends because the ends are really due. I always like to do that at the salon, but I think I'm just gonna do it myself. And yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and till my next one, I will see you all very soon. Bye.